Need to change your PayPal username? Here's a simple guide on how to do it, and some helpful tips. First, log into your PayPal account on the website. Navigate to the settings gear icon at the top right of the screen. Under the account tab, you'll find your current username. Click Update next to your username to begin the process. PayPal allows changes for legitimate reasons, such as name changes due to marriage or legal updates. Since changing your username isn't straightforward, you may need to contact PayPal customer support, but I'll show you some tips on how to do this quickly and efficiently. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Contact Us. Choose the method you prefer, call, message or email. Explain your situation and provide any necessary documentation. Here are some tips for handling customer support. Have all necessary documents ready, such as a government-issued ID, marriage certificate, or legal name change document. Clearly explain why you need to change your username and provide all relevant details. If you don't get a response within the expected time frame, follow up politely. Save all correspondence with customer support for future reference. Make sure all submitted documents are legible and properly scanned or photographed. Be prepared for this process to take some time. Changes are usually reviewed within a few business days, but it can vary depending on the documentation and details required. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you next time.